Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to be eligible for YouTube Shorts monetization. Want to make money from YouTube Shorts? In this video, I'll explain the latest requirements for YouTube Shorts monetization and how to qualify for earnings. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to meet YouTube's monetization requirements. And to be eligible, you must achieve one of these milestones. The first milestone is 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months for long videos, or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days for shorts. And you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers. Now for the second step is to join the YouTube Partner Program, also known as the YPP. And to do that, just go to YouTube Studio and then go to monetization, and if eligible and you meet the requirements, click on apply for monetization and agree to YouTube's partner terms and set up AdSense to earn money. Third step is to earn revenue from YouTube Shorts ad. YouTube shares ad revenue from shorts based on views, and revenue is split between creators and music licensing costs if you use copyrighted music. Now make sure you focus on high quality engaging shorts to boost views, and use original content to avoid copyright issues, and also promote shorts on other platforms like Instagram and TikTok to increase traffic. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to become eligible for YouTube Shorts monetization. Keep creating, stay consistent, and reach that milestone. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.